Okay, everybody, this is Mike. It's June the 25th, Thursday. Been a rather interesting day today. Been another good day for us. Uh, this morning's news was kind of interesting. The unemployment claims was pretty much on target. Still a couple thousand worse than it was the previous week. But the interesting thing, too, is that the spending went up with a big increase in spending by the consumer, but the wages went down. That's kind of, I guess people were borrowing more money, I guess what that means. Uh, and the big news that everybody's waiting for is this thing in Greece. So what are they going to do? And of course, we always got the underlying stuff going on with the Fed. So let's see what we did here today. We got started out, and you can see right here at the open, we just nailed a big trade there. That pretty much put everybody at goal right there. The entry bar there was at 937. Really, really, really nice trade. And you can see it went right down to the gap, overshot it a little bit, and then started moving up. Had a trade here that hit. It was a kind of funny one. You can see that we got in around around 950, 951. And it just moved sideways, almost for 10 minutes. And that's unusual. And it was going nowhere. I actually took that trade and I actually got out of it at break even because I didn't like the way it looked. But if you waited for the white bar, of course, you wouldn't have got out to right here, and you would have had and then you would have had a loser there. I had a trade here. The entry bar was here, and you would have got in right around 2103.50, and she went up and got your 4 and moved on up and all the way up here to the 8 tick mark. And actually, the last part of it got out at 7 ticks. That was a nice little trade here there. And you can see what's happening. That was off of a B long, went right up to that 1-to-1. That's what those little pink dots are. And the major 1-to-1 right up there at the top as well. And then we went into an ABC over condition right at that 1-to-1. And there was a signal there long, and that was a loser as well. Would have got in right about there. If you waited for the white bar, you'd have got out right about here. So it would have been a loser. And here was another loser. These puppies don't all win, but there was a loser there, the entry bar, and white bar occurred here. That's the exit. Remember, green you buy, red you sell, white's neutral or get out. Here's a winner here, and this one went up for the 8 ticks, went right up to the 1-to-1. That's a major 1-to-1 right there. And then we had a really nice trade right close to noontime, and the entry bar was right around 12:13. If you were still trading, I actually was not trading after I reached goal, but and you can see it. Look at this trade. You got in right there, and that thing just was like the ever-ready bunny, just kept on going. It was one heck of a nice trade, and it went from like 2103 all the way down to 2092 or so, 9-10 points on that trade. But that's what it looked like today, and that moved you right into the end of the day, and that's pretty much what it looked like here on Thursday, June the 25th. We'll see everybody tomorrow, Friday, Freaky Friday, and we'll see you then.